Why does your scanner show the P0400 engine code? What does it mean? P0400 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) flow malfunction. The P0400 engine code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation (EGR) flow malfunction. It means your car's computer detects that the exhaust gas recirculation system is not flowing the correct amount of exhaust gases into the engine intake manifold. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues, carbon buildup, vacuum leaks, faulty sensors, bad EGR solenoid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, Audi, Opel, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.